Hi guys, today we're gonna see this Hyundai Venue, both interior and exterior cleaning works. Let's get into the video. First of all, the car is prepared for interior cleaning. Before interior cleaning, the mats are removed and it's the whole entire interior is vacuumed first. See how much dust are inside the interior. It's the mats which is fully red soil. First we are going to take the mats with care. The mats are removed. Just as the boots are removed and the stepney tires and the jackies are completely removed, then it is being vacuumed. Each and every part, every corner, every interior mats are being cleaned. The boot has a very red soil content that is sticky. We are going to clean with those vacuums and then we wipe off with the wet cloth. First of all, we take the sand of the boot, then the boot is being aired. The mats are fully foamed and rinsed with brushes to get a complete clean. Take a look at those clean mats when it is washed. Mats are being cleaned both inner and outer sides. The engine room is completely degreased with degreases. Then it is been washed. This angle gun which doesn't affect any engine electrical parts, then it is just kept between 1 to 1.5 meters from the engine. The nozzle is kept at a distance. Then it is being fully cleaned with air nozzles. The engine, every part is detailed. The engine is fully dried with air. All those heater plugs and electrical aluminum. Now the underchase is being fully foamed with underchase foam. Then the tires are cleaned and the running body parts. This may take a short while. Inside those plastic running body, there are so much sand that will be filled during the tire rotation. Then the car body is pre-washed before the foam wash to get loosen the dirt on the body. Now the car is being foamed. The foam is being applied in a linear manner to get a shiny result. The car is fully cleaned with microfiber glosses in a linear manner. Those linear manners get clean results. Now the car is washed and prepared for nano polish. The nano polish piece is being applied, which makes the surfaces non-sticky to the dusts and dirts. This results will long for up to 1 month. It's a temporary ceramic coating which always makes the car to look always shine and pretty. It's always give you a reflecting result. Look those the running waters. When the car is washed, the waters will not stick on the car. This will be helpful during rainy days. The car will not get dirted on the running body parts. And then the car is cleaned with microfiber cloth and water magnet drying towels. Look at those results. It's perfect and reflective. Look at those clean interiors. Now the car is ready for delivery, and that's it.